Good morning student. In the last class we have learned that how to insert shapes and how to make the group of the shapes. Now today we'll learn that how to insert table of contents. Before inserting the table of contents, we should know that what is table of content. Table of content means index page, which you have seen generally in books. In books, so you can see at the very first page, you'll find the chapter name with the page number. So to set the chapter name with the page number, you can use a table of content option. So table of content option is available in references tab. So how to set table of contents? First of all, to set the table of content, we have to set the headings. To set the heading, put the cursor where you want to set the heading, and then click on add text available in table of contents group. Click on add text, click on level 1. Now click on session 1, click on level 2. Now click on session 2. Again I want to set it for level 2. Click on session 3. Maybe session 3 is session 3. Again click on add text and click on level 2, and one more session is given there, that is session 4. Click on add text and click on level 2. Likewise you will set the heading level, and up to 9 level you can give the particular heading. Now how to insert table of content and where we should insert table of content. So we should insert table of content at the very first page. So how to insert first page, blank page? Just click before the unit 1 and press Ctrl plus enter from the keyboard. Now you'll find the page is inserted. Now set the cursor here, go to table of content, and then you'll find different predefined styles. Don't click on any style, just click on insert table of content. When you click on insert table of content, you will find table of content dialog box. You can see that preview is available here. Table leaders are given there, but you want the table leaders in the dash form and a straight line form, so you can set the straight line also. And if you want to change the style, so you can change the style also, but I want the same style, so I'm clicking on from template. And if you want to increase a level, so you can increase the level from here, show level button. Now click on OK button. When you click on OK button, you will find the table of contents are set here. Now after inserting table of content, you can go to the particular session or go to the particular unit directly by using Control and left mouse button. When you use the Control and left mouse button, you will find the hand shape. By clicking on hand shape, just you can go to the particular unit or any session. So this is a way to insert table of content. In the next class we'll learn that how to update table of content. Thank you.